Welcome you in Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School channel. Myself Sneha Devdare, your grade 1 maths teacher. So students, today we will start with our math subject. Students, today we are going to learn something new. Okay, I will show you something and I will ask you some questions. You have to answer me. Okay. Now I will take out the straws. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 7. Okay. Total how many straws are there? I have total 7 straws. Now from this 7, I will take away 3 straw. Okay. I will take away 3 straw. Now how many are remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many are remaining? 4. पहले क्या किया मैंने? मेरे पास कितने स्ट्रॉ थे? 7. उसमें से मैंने कितने निकाल दिए? 3. तो अभी कितने बचे हैं मेरे पास? 4. कितने? 4. So students, what I have done here? मैंने क्या किया यहाँ पे? Yes, from total number I have minus or subtracted or cancel or take away the few number. Okay, जो पूरा था उसमें से मैंने क्या किया? माइनस या फिर सब्ट्रैक्ट किया थोड़ा सा, है ना, और जो बचा हुआ है उतना मैंने आपको बताया. This is called subtraction. The procedure which we have done now, this is called subtraction. इसे क्या बोलते हैं? Subtraction बोलते हैं. Subtraction means the number or the amount to remove from whole and find out the left one. Okay, understood? So take out your saffron textbook. Take out your saffron textbook. So today we are going to start with our new chapter, that is subtraction up to 20. What? Subtraction up to 20, chapter number 3. First we will see the warm up. Fill in the boxes. 4 oranges on the plate. Azhar eats 1 orange. Oranges left on the plate. Now see, today we will solve with the help of pictures. Okay, first we will see how we can solve the subtraction sums with the help of pictures. Now here 4 oranges are there. Azhar, this boy eats 1 from 4, 1 boy ate. Now oranges left on the plate, how many are there? 1, 2, 3. So 3 is the answer. Okay. So from 1, if from 4, 1 goes away or 1 is taken away, 3 is left. Write that. Done. Next, 7 t-shirts in a shop. See, there is a shop. In that, how many t-shirts are there? 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 t-shirts are there. Manjit buys 1 t-shirt. So from these 7 t-shirt, Manjit buys 1. उसमें से इसने क्या किया? एक परचेस किया. Now how many t-shirts are left in the shop? T-shirts left in the shop. Count this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Got it? From 7, if you will take away 1, 6 will be left. Okay? This is called subtraction. हाँ, देखो यहाँ पे टोटल रहता है, फिर उसमें से जितना माइनस करने के लिए या फिर जितना कैंसिल करने बोला है वो कैंसिल कर दो और जो रिमेनिंग है वो यहाँ पे यानी आंसर लिखना है. ओके. एंड सब्ट्रैक्शन मीन्स टू कैंसल. ओके. सब्ट्रैक्शन मतलब टोटल में से माइनस करना या फिर कैंसिल करना. और सब्ट्रैक्शन क्या साइन क्या है? ये This is the symbol for subtraction. Okay, this is the symbol for subtraction, and this is called minus. What it is called? Minus. जैसे हम प्लस बोलते हैं वैसे ही subtraction का symbol ये है और इसे हम बोलते हैं minus. What it is called? Minus. Now what are the things we are going to learn ahead? आगे हम क्या पढ़ने वाले हैं? देखो objectives. Introduction to subtraction, minus symbol, subtraction by crossing out, subtraction using a number strip, subtraction by counting backwards, vertical subtraction, horizontal subtraction, subtracting a one-digit number from a two-digit number, story sums, properties of subtraction. So these many things we are going to learn in this chapter. Okay, now see on the next page. My way ahead. Manjit went to the market to buy ice cream. See, Manjit went to the market to buy ice cream. Then Manjit, you bought so many ice cream cones. What that girl says? You bought so many ice cream cones to Manjit, she says. Then Manjit says, Revati, my mother asked to buy 6 ice creams cones and I ate 2 of them. I don't know how many I am left with now. देखो वो लड़की क्या बोलती है? रेवती मंजीत को कि ढेर सारे अपने आइसक्रीम्स लाए हैं। तो मंजीत बोलता है मेरे मम्मी ने मुझे 6 आइसक्रीम लाने के लिए बोला था, उसमें से मैंने 2 खा लिए, तो अभी मेरे पास कितने बचे हैं वो मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा। तो रेवती क्या बोलती है? फॉर दिस यू जस्ट नीड टू सब्ट्रैक्ट। देखो अभी टोटल में से माइनस किए या फिर खा लिए या फिर कुछ दे दिए तो बचे हुए कितने हैं, इसीलिए हम क्या करते हैं? सब्ट्रैक्शन करते हैं। क्या करते हैं? सब्ट्रैक्शन। देन व्हाट मंजीत सेज? ओके रेवती, लेट अस स्टडी सब्ट्रैक्शन टुगेदर। तो अभी वो क्या बोलता है? सब्ट्रैक्शन हम दोनों मिलके पढ़ेंगे। लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड इन डिटेल व्हाट सब्ट्रैक्शन इज। इंट्रोडक्शन टू सब्ट्रैक्शन। सब्ट्रैक्शन मीन्स टू टेक अवे। सब्ट्रैक्शन यानी क्या? दिए गए नंबर में से थोड़ा नंबर माइनस करना या फिर टेक अवे करना। When we take away a certain number from a given number, the number that is left is the difference between the two numbers. The symbol used for subtraction is this. We read this symbol as minus. देखो subtraction यानी क्या करना? टेक अवे करना, कैंसल करना। किसमें से? सर्टन नंबर, जो दिया गया नंबर है उसमें से एक छोटा नंबर या फिर दिया गया नंबर माइनस करना, टेक अवे करना। और जो बचा हुआ आपको मिलता है वो क्या होता है? डिफरेंस होता है। क्या होता है? डिफरेंस। सिंबल क्या है सब्ट्रैक्शन का? ये। और उसे हम क्या रीड करते हैं? क्या बोलते हैं इसे? माइनस। क्या? माइनस। ओके, नाउ सपोज स्टूडेंट्स हियर 4 balls are there. Okay, 4 balls are there. Now 2 I will throw away. इन 4 में से मैंने 2 फेंक दिया, थ्रो अवे कर दिया, है ना? तो बचे कितने? 1, 2. How many are left? 2. Okay, so this is called subtraction. See, Manjeet bought 6 ice cream cones. Can you see here 6 ice cream cones? Yes. Manjeet ate 2. अभी 6 में से उसने कितने खा लिए? 2 खा लिए। कितने? 2 खा लिए। तो बचे कितने? 1, 2, 3, 4. So Manjit is left with 4 ice cream cones. Understood? Thus, if we take away 2 from 6, we get 4. अगर 6 में से 2 हमने निकाल दिए तो हमें कितने मिलते हैं? 4 मिलते हैं. The above statement can be written as 6 minus 2 is 4. तो हम कैसे लिख सकते हैं? 6 minus 2 4. Got it? पहले जो नंबर है, टोटल नंबर है, वो लिखना है, फिर माइनस की साइन देनी है और फिर जितने कट करने हैं वो लिखना है और इक्वल टू साइन देके फिर जो आंसर आता है वो लिखना है. ओके? Turn the page. See the next example. Now take away and write the answer. Now see, how many balloons you can find here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? 7 balloons. How many? 7 balloons. Now from that 7 balloons, two balloons got burst. 7 में से 2 बलून फूट गए, तो अभी कितने बलून्स रह गए? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. कितने? 5. Got it? Next. Now here, how many birds are sitting? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 6 birds are sitting. From that 6 birds, 2 flew away. How many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4. Got it? This is called subtraction. Right. Do it fast. Understood? So in this way you can do the subtraction and find out how many are left.
Let us learn how to subtract. Subtraction means to take away. When we take away a certain number from a given number, the number that is left is the difference between the two numbers. This is the symbol used for subtraction. We read it as a minus. Let us take an example. Manjeet bought 5 woolen caps. Manjeet gave 3 caps to his friend Azhar. Manjeet is left with 2 caps. Thus, if we take away 3 from 5, we get 2. We can also write this using the minus sign.
Understood, students?
Subtraction means to take away. When we take away a certain number from a given number, the number that is left is the difference between the two numbers. This is the symbol used for subtraction. We read it as a minus. Let us take Munchie bought 5 woolen caps. Munchie gave 3 caps to his friend Azhar. Munchie is left with 2 caps. Thus, if we take away 3 from 5, we get 2. We can also write this using the minus sign.
Understood, students? How to do subtraction? Okay. Now, how you can do subtraction by crossing out? क्रॉस करके हम सब्ट्रैक्शन कैसे कर सकते हैं वो देखना है. ओके, नाउ सब्ट्रैक्शन बाय क्रॉसिंग आउट. क्रॉसिंग आउट मीन्स टू कैंसल. You can also cross out to subtract. Look at the example given below. 8 minus 3. Okay, 8 minus 3. Now here, can you see rattles? How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total 8 rattles are there. Okay. Now from this 8 you have to subtract 3. 8 में से हमें कितने कैंसिल करने हैं? 3 कैंसिल करने हैं. Okay. So let us start to cross out. Then from which side you will start to cross out? From your right side. Okay. From your right side. Right side से हमें cross out करना है. Remember always you should cross from the right side. Now this is my right hand. So from this side I will cross out. How many I have to cross? 3. 1, 2, 3. Now remaining how much? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. How many? 5. Thus we are left with 5 rattles. How many? 5 rattles. हमारे पास कितने बचे हैं? 5. So in this way we can do the subtraction by crossing out. समझ में आया? Now how many cake you can see? Cupcakes. Total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many cupcakes? 8. Can you see a 8? Yes. Now minus 5. Minus 5 मतलब 8 में से 5 क्या करना है? माइनस करना है. So start from this side or this side? This side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now how many are left? 1, 2, 3. So 8 minus 5 is 3. Okay. Right. Come on, do it fast. Do it fast. Finish. Next. Now, how many leaves you can find out? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many? 6 leaves. Now from that 6, 4 we have to cancel. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many are left? 2. Right? Understood, children? So in this way we can do subtraction by crossing out. My experiment with maths. See, here is one experiment that you have to do. What are the materials required? 10 counters for each student. See, we require 10 counters for each student, paper and pencil. Make the students sit in the circle with 10 counters each and a paper. Give a subtraction fact to each student. Ask each student to pick up as many counters as the greater number. Now, he or she should take away as many counters as the smaller number. Ask them to find the leftover number of counters. Then ask them to write the subtraction sentence on the paper. So, this you can do at your home. Okay. So, my practice time, we will do this. Okay. Yes. Look at the pictures and fill in the circles. Now, how many cupcakes you can see a students total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cupcakes. Okay. From these 6 cupcakes, already 2 they have crossed. Yes. Then, from 6, 2 minus is this much. Now, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4 are remaining. Okay. So, how you will write? 6 minus 2, 6 minus 2 is 4. Yes, from 6 if you will take away 2, 4 is remaining. Okay. Next. Now, here you can see books. Total how many books are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 9 books are there. From that 9 books, how many they have crossed? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. How many they have crossed? 5. So, from 9, 5 is crossed. So, how many is remaining? 4. So, how you will write? 9 total, crossed away 5, left 4. Okay. Next, total how many glasses you can see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay. 7 glasses. From that 7 glasses, how many they have crossed? 1, 2, 3 and 4 they have crossed. So, from 7, 4 they have crossed, these many glasses are left, 1, 2 and 3. Okay. How you will write? 7, how many crossed? 4, remaining 3. Okay. Write it. Do it fast. Okay. So, 6 minus 2 is 4. 9 minus 5 is 4. 7 minus 4 is 3. Turn the page. Next. Now, your students, 3 cars are there. How many? 3. From these 3 cars, 2 they have crossed. So, how many is left? 1. How you will write now? Total was 3. 2 cancel 1. 3 minus 2 is 1. Understood? Write it. Do it fast. Okay, now I will show you one video. Sorry, it is interactivity. So, this we have solved already. So, no need to do this. Understood? How to do? Now second question. Cross out to subtract and fill in the circles. See, now we have to cross out and write the answer. Okay, remember to cross from the right. Sorry. Yes, right side. Okay, remember to cross out from the right side. How many are there apples? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total how many? 8 are there. Then how many you have to cancel? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4. 8 minus 4 is 4. Do it. Next. Now here you can see insects. So how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 minus 2. How many cancel? 2. How many are left? 5. Okay? Understood? So in this way we have to do. See, candles are there that you can do it afterwards by your own. 9 minus 7. So 7 candles you have to cross and write the remaining answer. And next is 5 butterflies. So from that 3 you have to cancel and write the remaining answer in the box. Okay? So do this all the things by your own afterwards. Have you understood? So students, in our this period we have started with our new chapter, that is chapter number 3, subtraction. What? Subtraction up to 20. Okay? We have learned, we have done the introduction to subtraction, and also we have learned how to subtract by taking away or by crossing out. Okay? Remaining things we will see in the next period. Thank you.